Hello student, this is our last lecture of event handling. So let's start. The learning outcome of this today's lecture. First we see text listener interface, then we see mouse listener interface, and last we see mouse motion listener interface. So these are the learning outcome of today's video. So first we see the text listener interface. As we see the text event which are generated by text field and text area, the text listener is responsible to generate the response for text event. So first point is this interface defines the text change method that is invoked when change occur in a text area or text field. So there are two components. There are two text component. First is text area and second is text field which generate the text event. So as we see the text component, when you enter the any character, any letter in the text field or text area, that time value of text field and text area is changed. So this method is invoked when you change the value of text field and text area, and the text listener is responsible to generate the event for the text area and text field. The general form of the method text change, which have one parameter text event object, and this method not return any value, so a return type of this method is void. So this method we override when you write the code for text listener interface. Next one, we see the example of text listener interface. So let's start the program. First we import the java.awt package. Then next we import java.awt.event package. Then we define one class. The class name is TL example, public class TL example, which implements text listener. As we see, text listener is the interface, so interface always implements. Next we generate one label L. Then next we generate one text field, so object of text field is TF. Then we define the constructor of our class TL example. Okay. Next we define one object of frame F, and our title of frame is text listener example. Next we initialize the label. We has already defined label L, so L is equal to new label. We can write the code in single line also. Then we set the position of the label by method setBound method. Next we initialize the text field with initially it is blank, and next we set the position of text field by method setBound. Then we register our text field with the listener. So the code for this TF is the object of text field, and we add the text field with listener text listener. So write the name of listener text listener, T capital L capital, in bracket we pass this. Next we add our label L into frame, so F is the object of frame. Next we add the text field into frame. Then we set the size of frame by method setSize. Then we set the layout of layout of frame by method setLayout. Then we set the visibility of our frame by method setVisible. And last we define the method text value change. Okay. And when this method is executed, that time the label L is the object of label. The label value is set by method set text, value of text field change. So simple. When you enter any character in text field, that time this message is displayed in the label. Then last we define the main method public static void main string argument, and in main method we create one object of our class TL example. Okay, so this is simple program to handle text listener or text event. Then the output of the program is displayed like first our frame title is text listener example. Here one label is displayed, but we define the blank label, so the value of label is blank, so no character, and one text field is generated. Okay, then when you enter some character in the text field, that time label is display, value of text field change. So this is simple program of text listener. Next we see the mouse listener interface. The Java mouse listener is notified when you change the state of mouse. So mouse listener interface is related to mouse. It notify against the mouse event. So mouse event, as we already see the mouse event in the chapter. So when mouse event is generated, that time mouse listener is in action. The mouse listener interface is found in the java.awt.event package. It has 5 methods, so we see one by one. First method is public abstract void mouse clicked. Mouse click is the method which have one parameter, that is object of mouse event class, and this method not return any value, so return type of this method is void. Second method is mouse entered. Mouse entered also have same parameter and same return type. Next method void mouse exited. So this method also have same parameter, object of mouse event, and this method also not return any value, so return type of this method is void. Second last method is mouse pressed, also have same parameter and same return type, and last method is mouse released. Okay, so these 5 are the various types of event, and every event have one method. So simple. First method mouse click means when you click the any button of the mouse, that time this method is executed. Second method is mouse enter. When your output is generated, that time when mouse is move when you move the mouse in your frame, that time mouse is entered in the frame. When you remove the mouse from your frame, that time mouse exit method is executed. And when you press any key, that time any mouse key, that time mouse pressed and mouse release methods are executed. So these are the 5 methods of mouse listener interface. Then we see example of mouse listener interface. First we define two packages, java.awt and java.awt.event. Then we define one class public ml example and implement the mouse listener. Then we define one label. Then we define constructor of our class ml example. Then we create one frame, object f is equal to, and frame title is mouse listener example. Next we register our frame with the add mouse listener. Mouse listener is registered with frame. Then label is initialized. Then we set the position of label by method setBound, and then we add our label into frame. Then we set the size of frame by method setSize. Then we set layout of frame by method setLayout, and then we set the visibility of the frame by method setVisible. Then we define the 5 methods related to mouse listener. First method is mouse clicked. When you when this method is executed, the label is set mouse clicked. Next method, mouse enter. When this method is executed, that time label is set mouse entered. When third method, mouse exit, the message or label set as mouse exited. Next method, mouse press. When this method executed, that time label is set mouse pressed. And last, when mouse release method is executed, label is mouse release. So these are the 5 methods as we defined or override for mouse event class, mouse event or mouse listener. Then last we define the main method, public static void main string argument, and inside main method we create one object of our class ML example. So this is simple program to show the how mouse listener is implemented in your program. Then output of the program is display like first blanks frame is display. We initially one label added in this frame, but initially this label is blank, so nothing is displayed in the frame. Next, when you enter mouse cursor in frame, that time this message is display mouse entered. Then next we have some MCQ. The mouse listener interface is found in dash package. First one java.awt, second option java x.awt.event, third option java.awt.event, and last option none of above. Answer of this question is option C, java.awt.event. Second question, this interface defined means text listener interface define the dash method that is invoked when a change occur in a text area. First option is void text change, second option void text added, third option void text inserted, and last option is all of above. Answer of this question is void text change. And the last question is the Java mouse listener is notified whenever you change the state of mouse. So statement is true. Answer of the question is true. Then next listener and last listener, mouse motion listener. Previous listener is mouse listener and mouse motion listener is related to two event, that is mouse drag and mouse move. Okay, so here first the Java mouse motion listener is notified whenever you move or drag mouse. It is notified against mouse event. The mouse motion listener interface is found in java.awt.event package. This listener have two methods. First is public abstract void mouse drag, which have one parameter object of mouse event, and second method is public abstract void mouse move, which also have same parameter object of mouse event class. So two methods related to mouse motion listener. Then we define one example of mouse motion listener interface program. First we define one package java.awt. Next we define second package java.awt.event. Then we define one class mml example extends frame implements mouse motion listener. So in this example we write some different code. Here we extend our class with frame. Frame is the inbuilt class in Java. So extends frame and implements mouse motion listener. Here frame is the class, hence we use the keyword extend, and mouse motion listener is the interface, hence we use the keyword implements. Next we define the constructor of our class mml example. Inside class we add our register frame with the mouse motion listener. Then we set the size of frame, then we set the layout of frame, and then we set the visibility of our frame. Then we define two methods, public void mouse drag. Here we create one object of graphics class, gGetGraphics is the method. Then we set the color blue, and then fill oval. Fill oval is the method used to draw oval. First e dot get x and e dot get y. So these are the two mouse used to get the mouse pointer, and the 20 is the width and 20 is the height of our pointer. So this program is when you one frame is created, and inside frame you when you drag the mouse, that time blue spot is created. Okay, so and the spot have oval spot is created, and the width and height of the oval is 2020. Okay, so in output we see this. Then we define the next method, public void mouse move. Mouse move is the blank method, only we write the method. Then we define main method, and inside main method we create one object of our class. So this is simple program for mouse motion listener interface. The output of the program is display like first blank frame is display, and then when you drag the mouse, that time the blue spot is created. Why? Because we set the blue color, and then when you drag, that time the oval circle is created with 20 width and 20 height. So this is the simple program for mouse motion listener interface. So here we end our third chapter, event handling. In this chapter we study the various event classes, starting with delegation event model, and then we see the various event classes. Then we see concept adapter class, inner class, and then we see different listener interface. Okay, so this is very important chapter. In first two chapter we study the design of GUI or various component, and second chapter we study how events are handled, what is event handling, and how we can write the code for various event. Okay, so this is completion of third chapter. Thank you.